Hello, welcome to this video. So I'm going to be voting for Convex today for the first time. Voting on Convex for the first time. I'm doing this because you can get bribed for having a vlCVX position. Wow, what does that even mean? So let me just get to Ethereum. I'm going to connect my MetaMask. So because I've locked my CVX here, yeah, I don't have a huge position, but I worked out that if I keep getting the same lock, the same rewards over time, it'll be fine. It'll work out, and I'll be able to get some monies. So you need to lock your Convex in to convexfinance.com. Now I'm going to go to Votium, and so these different protocols are all incentivizing you to vote, to allocate rewards. I would really recommend researching it for yourself. I'm sure you can find the docs online. The docs will be here. But I'm going to go to this here, the llama.air force, and here you can kind of see the value of your vote locked Convex tokens, and you can see how much like how many dollars you'll get per vlCVX here. So as you can see, I'm after, if I go back to Votium, because I want to increase my Convex position over the long term. You can see here the CVX is the reward here. There's 48,000 CVX for reward, and it has that value. There's another pool here which is the Convex and ETH pool, which has 30,000 in rewards, and that value at the moment. So if you go over here, this shows you the value of your if I was to vote with one Convex token, it would return me like 85 cents here if I voted for this pool. If I voted for the D3 pool, it would return me $1. The cheapest one at the moment is the Frax, so that's what, 76 cents. So because I want Convex, and the Convex ETH and the Convex Curve pools both give you Convex as rewards, I'm going to vote for the cvxCRV pool. Yeah, let's do that. cvxCRV. So on Votium, I'm going to find the cvxCRV pool. Let's vote. I've never done this before. We're doing it for the first time together. cvxCRV. I'll tell you what. cvxCRV. This is mine. Okay, so I'm going to do one just because I want it 100%. If I could, I could do 50-50 just by adding another one, but I want it 100% here. So scroll down and vote. Oh, so I need to. Okay, so I'm going to sign it now. So I've only got 244 Convex, which is a shame. However, that's what I'm working with. Oh, was that it? Did I just vote? Uh-oh. I think I voted. Uh-oh. I felt like I clicked off it, but I wasn't sure if it did it or not. Let's go Convex Curve. Click down to vote. Let's try it again. I think it did vote. It's just thinking about it, isn't it? I'm going to leave it there. Still thinking. My ledger hasn't asked me to do anything. Crazy. Let's see. I mean, yeah, I think this is it. I think I'm just gonna wait for this to be done, but I think that's it. I mean, the only thing I can do is because I tell you what, no, not this one. I'll go on Firefox. Firefox is far superior, unfortunately. It's just gonna work. It's just not saying anything here. That is a shame. Let me try this then. Okay, here. +1. Go down to the bottom. Vote. MetaMask. Tell you what, hard work this is. I'll just check that Brave hasn't. See, he's waiting for something, but I'm not quite sure what he's waiting for. So I am connected now. Okay, let's go. Let's vote. Okay, that actually voted then. So I tell you what, here's a lesson. Brave, it wants you to use the Ledger Live protocol thing, and that was what it was waiting for me to confirm it through there, but it wasn't working. So I've just used Firefox, and look me here. Look at that. 244. Look at these guys with 10 million. 1 million. Oh man, every little helps, I guess. So sorry you had to sit through that, but good thing I don't have to use any gas at all, just when claiming. But what you can do is leave your rewards to accumulate over time. If I keep voting for the same pool, I'll be getting the same rewards, and so there'll be just one claim at the end. So that's it. And as you can see here, me, it says you. That's how you know it's done. 100% for this. Perfect. I'm happy. I'll leave it there. Have a great evening. Goodbye.